Welcome to the Bubble CRM instructional video. In this video, we are going to cover how to create a lead and assign it to a specific user. So again, opening on the dashboard page, we'll go over to the left-hand side and see all of our options here. Note again that we are in the admin panel, so some of the options that we see here may not be available to all the other users. So again, this is relevant for us as we wouldn't be able to create a lead unless we are logged in as the admin. So click the leads button here on the tab on the left hand side and we can see a list of all the current leads in the system. And then of course go here, we're going to click add new lead. And here we have the information for the client that we are going to be meeting. So in some cases, a company name is relevant if we're working with a private business, but in this case it's not for this example, so I'm going to create a dummy lead here. And it takes us to, so let's, we're going to type in all of the address information, and then here on the right side as well we'll need to put in some additional notes. Cell phone, just one, an email address, so in this case we can put a fake email. Secondary email not necessary. This feature here, if we were to click this Google Map button, it would open a pop-up window with the above address listed on there, and so you can from there make you can get directions, easy to access from Google Map. Scrolling down some, here we have the source, so which of these options must be selected to indicate how that client was referred to the business. So in this case, just for ease, we're going to keep it at Yelp. If there's one that's not currently on that list, then we can click add new lead source, and there's a simple process to add new lead source through that pop-up window. Area of interest, so this is talking specifically about the area of the house that is going to be worked on as a part of this lead. So if we click that, then we have a series of different options in here, and just for a quick reference, we're going to put the home office, and then we're going to come down here. Now here it gives you the option to do a project location, so we can see that this is the client's address here, and sometimes the project location could be different. In this case it's not a different location, so we're going to click this box here, same as above, and you can see it auto-populates it, gives it the option for Google Map as well. And now here's the final part of the screen. We're going to assign it to a user. So in this case we want to assign this lead to a designer, and again we click that, get this drop down menu option, and I'm going to go to the user we just created and click that. Now here in this notes box, what we're going to do is add any information that could be relevant or useful for the designer as they prepare to go meet this client on the lead. So I know after having taken the call that I'm going to add a note here. Gate code for the community they live in is 9876, and I'm also going to say client requests that you call, let me put more specific, that the designer calls when they arrive. Now this note will be able to show the designer, once they see this account, that these are some of the instructions they need to follow as they get ready to go. So that is it for now. What we're going to do is we're going to click save, and we can see here at the top of the list, it gives it a unique ID, all of the relevant information that we can see linked to a designer, and the status currently is listed as a pending lead. So for now, we have created a new lead, and on the right hand side here we can see some other options that we'll go into in further detail in the next video.